What is going on, guys? Custom RC Mods here, and today I have the first upgrade for the Mavic Pro. So this series is going to be based off of a lot of upgrades, repairs, and mods and accessories. So there's 4 different categories. I hope I don't have to repair anything on this drone, because that would not be the most fun thing ever to do. But so I'm going to get a lot of accessories for both the drone and the controller and bags and things like that. That will be featured in this playlist, and so yeah, today is going to be an upgrade. I'm going to be upgrading my SD card in this thing. This is a 32GB SanDisk Ultra SD card from the GoPro, my GoPro that I use in all my onboard videos that you've seen, and I'm going to be putting it in the drone in place of the 16GB card in there. So first thing you got to do is open this little flap. And don't be confused, this is the bigger flap. It's on the right side. The smaller flap's on the left side, and that is a micro USB port for plugging your drone into the computer. But as you can see, the card is right in there, and just push in and it'll come out. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you basically a card comparison. We've got the Lexar on the right and the new SanDisk on the left. Just like that, 16 gigabytes and 32 gigabytes. So, whoa, my bad. So, basically, this is going to be going back in the GoPro, and I'm going to go ahead and install this one. So, you install, flip the drone upside down, and now just install it like it was right side up. So, install it with the top of the SD card basically with the SD card upside down. So, there it's in, and now while we're under this flap, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that my drone settings are correct. So I got my switch on RC instead of Wi-Fi, so that's good. So I'm going to go ahead, push this flap back in, and this upgrade is complete. So that's the DJI Mavic upgrade level 1, and here is the card that's going to be going in my GoPro Hero 3 Plus for the run videos. So thank you guys for watching, and I will be sure to keep you posted on how the Mavic is doing, and definitely with some drone video footage coming up soon.